red means female, green means male. Now for their lifespan, Yoshi and the Robo can live up to 30 to 40 years. Meanwhile, our macaques can live up to 60 to 70 years. And did you know, guys, that parrots
So welcome to Cebu Ocean Park bird show, and this is the introduction of the birds that went.
No other group.
What we have here now are those natural birds, not yet the tamed ones. I think that these other birds have a lot of freedom.
Stop talking and start the show, please.
Now, got it right there is our red and green macaw, also known as the green-winged macaw. The macaws are widespread woodlands and forests of northern and central South of America. And there you go, folks. Our show is officially started. Let's give a round of applause for the live and
The bird raise up the flag.
This is the Banamas Turaco. You know Banamas Turaco? Have you ever heard of that bird, Banamas Turaco?
I don't know how it is.
It's found only in Cameroon, but it can fly. It can fly from Cameroon to South Africa and back. Banamas Turaco is found in the mountain forest.
Wow.
So now it's me, blue and azul. And today we're going to battle it over who's the best in a basketball game. So the other guy is blue and the trainer Vince is azul. But before I start the friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys, you will cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue. And for the girls, you will cheer for azul. Come on girls, say go azul, go azul.
Go Zoo! Go Zoo!
Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game? Hoy, walang energy. Are you guys ready? Alright, Albert's ready. Trainers ready, set, go! Let's go, Birds! Now first ball by blue.
Wow!
Second ball for blue. First ball for blue. Blue wins the basketball game. It's the azul. Now trainer Vince, you lost this game. What can I say?
Hold the trainer down, we want another race.
Oh, they want another race. Are you sure about that? You have something to lose again. One.
Well, this time I'm pretty sure Oceanarium will win.
Just a camera.
Now, trainer, what game do you have in mind?
Let's do a ring race. Now, the mechanics of this game is the first bird to then drop all three rings to the pole. The fastest is the winner. Now, that's our ring race.
Now, ring race is Jolie, and remember, girls, the team blue and the boys got already 1 point. Now, cheer louder for Azul this time to win. Now, guys, are you ready for the second game? All right, now, Birds ready. Trainers ready, set, go! Let's go, Birds! Now, first ring by look at the ball. Another ring by blue. Let's go, go! Oh, let's go!
No, it didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
And that is right. Another round of applause for Blue and Azul. Now this time I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. Again, I need an adult volunteer with a money bill.
To Cebu Ocean Park bird show, and this is the introduction of the birds that are going to be participating in the show.
The push for the boss. America.
Our parents are intelligent, that's why we continue to match these skills, and that's very well get aboard. Let's go and back once again to show us how important it is by putting back these shakes into their correct slots. Let's go with it. Now, although this is the learned behavior, this wouldn't be possible without this intelligence, memory, and perception to allow these skills to find food, shelter, and a good place to relax. Now, that's it, Bandit.
Better.
Excellent work. Have a round of applause for Bandit.
Yeah, they look quite nice.
Golden and find a hidden object. Yes, let me hear you say, you can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, find a hidden object. Now Goldie searching, scanning stops. Lucy sensing on it. And she got it. Now let her have all her second word. Goldie.
Just begin to know the stop of pass.
So earlier we showed you
So Vivi has a friend,
Now
huh?
this time we're going to introduce you to our cockatoos. Now there are 21 types of cockatoos spread around the globe, but here in Cebu Ocean Park we have 3. We have our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety, our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, and our Malucan cockatoo Snow. So once again, you're going to have a close encounter with our lovely birds. And just a friendly reminder that if our birds and trainers will go near you, please do not touch or try to grab the feathers of the birds, okay? Because they will bite. Alright, now let's call it Snow, Tweety, and Nigel. Now our trainer, this is Tweety, the trainer cat is Nigel, and the trainer Jessie is Snow. Alright, first up is our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety. Now that bird prefers their habitat along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforests. They're primarily white with black beak and a distinctive silver yellow crest. So nasa lahat para sila ang crest. And the scientific name is Kakatuan damerita. Up next, we trainer cat is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now that bird is also known as the great white-crested cockatoo.
No, it's just
Now, we
trying.
can distinguish among the white cockatoos, and that is because of its rolling white crest that races like an umbrella. It was started high up and no one will walk around. It's also bucking the center stairs. No one should be crossing, passing, and sitting on the center stairs.
The wind was going too fast.
Alright, now let's call in our Brahminic Lion Kingdom. Kingdom City name is Madagascar. Indus. Now she can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, they're known as redback sea eagles. Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, they're known as lawin or barcode in the Visayan region. And if I'm a little bit here, but if you know what siya nasa logo ni Kuya Kim, Samantala Lawin. Now lastly, for flappers, please look up to your left as we call it our homing pigeons. Now these birds were named according to fly back to its home nest, and that is because of its special sense of magneto reception, where it can detect their magnetic field and helps them perceive altitude, location, and direction. So sa guys na sa and that is it for raptors and homing pigeons.
With the watching not
Hey, I'm going to tell you that our next teacher will really be most baffled and amazed even us trainers. But before I call in our number word, I would like to ask you guys two numbers between 1 to 20 again. Give me two numbers between 1 to 20. First number. Whitney. What's up?
It's kind of plain.
10. Second number. 8.
Can't come to anywhere. Have to look very wide.
Now, our equation is telling us saying that we all know the answer, right? But we must not tell the answer just yet. And before I call in our man wizard, I will shuffle these numbers first.
Should we go behind? It's ready.
Didi?
Didi?
I can sell 10 plus 8. Okay, trainer is now ready. Alright, so, soul decoration for us. And